Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Roboform. Roboform has to do with next generation password manager. It's leading the way in password management, technology, security and innovation. You can try the business plan or the premium plan. No credit card is required. Simplify your online experience. Stay secure and save time with Roboform and seamless password manager and form filling solution. The generate and save password creates stronger unique passwords for each site. Roboform captures them automatically. One-click logins and form filling. No more typing. Roboform quickly logs you into websites and fills online forms with a single click. If you get to scan for compromised password, get alerted when your password and personal information are exposed in data breaches. And lastly, secure sharing. Securing shared password with your contact without the risk of exposing sensitive data. It has been used by these companies and it has to do security. It has Roboform Authenticator. That's right. Add verification code to Roboform Authenticator by QR scan, adding a key or import from other authenticator app. Accessible on all Roboform devices. CD's codes can also be auto-filled into login forms with a single click. It has a new feature called the passkey support. Passkeys are a new way to securely log into websites without using passwords with Roboform. You can now save and use passkeys across all your devices. You can see it here. And the new feature is called the data breach monitoring, where Roboform data breach monitoring scans up to 5 email addresses for breaches and alerts you if the data is exposed. If a breach is found, Roboform suggests ways to secure your account. An option for everyone. Unlock unparalleled value with every license option. You have the free version, the premium, and the family plan. Let's see. We also have the business plan. Alright, so you can take a look at what customers have to say in these various stores. So you can log in or buy now. Depends on you. Or can also download it. So what are you waiting for? Get started.